Hello, hello, good people. Hope you're all well. Thank you so much for clicking to this channel and welcome back once again. So, today we're making this stew. It's basically spinach, beef, and bell peppers. But you're making it a little bit dry because spinach can be watery. Spinach, you have to show it some love for it to be, a little bit dry. So to start with, we'll start with cutting our beef into small pieces, not really small, but I like them bite size. After adding our onion, garlic, and chili, we'll add our beef cube. Just one piece, we don't need much. And then there's another extra ingredient that I like, but pronouncing this word, I don't know. Worcestershire. Yeah, I got it. So, like 2 tablespoons of it. And then we let our beef boil for like an hour, just to get that thick broth. And after an hour, now our beef is cooked. We have perfect broth. And this is a bit I like doing because the beef here, even if it's well cooked, it's still reddish. I know from the camera you can see, but it's not like, that brown cooked meat. No, so mine, I like putting it in the oven for a few minutes just to brown it a little bit. So we'll just put it in the oven as we continue cutting our veggies. And these are the only veggies that you're using now. It's bell peppers, onions, paprika, and of course, garlic and chili. And we will we will crush them, not finely, but just crushing in small pieces. Those small pieces, even when you're eating, you can choose some of it. Yeah, you'll see the texture of it. pot on fire, and please don't mind about my pot. It has gone through it all, you know. Fire, chili, cooking without eating. Yes, it has faced all the seasons. So don't mind about it. Our onions are done. We go in with our blended, with our chopped, let me call them chopped veggies, because they are not finely blended. And we will let this one cook, and I won't cover it up because I want it dry. Remember, this stew, we want it dry. So I won't cover it. I'll let it cook for like around maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, I'll add one more or maybe two beef cubes. Yeah, two will be enough. And we'll let it cook for around maybe 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, I'll try to see my time. I think it's 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed my video this far. Please, if you are, kindly subscribe, comment, let me know. As you can see now, it's almost cooked. Yeah, it's dry, like the moisture is 3/4 dried. So we add in our beef, and I let it cook for maybe 10 minutes. I don't time. My ancestors tells me when it's ready. Some salt for tasting, and we continue mixing, and then next we add in our spinach. Now the secret to have this spinach dry, not wet, I like wilting my spinach. You know, I wilt to remove that excess, and spinach is a scam. Where is all that spinach that we added now? Where is all of it? Spinach is, it's just a scam. And we mix. As you can see now, it's not wet. Actually, it's almost dry. I'll have to add a little bit of broth because we want it. Remember, we had some broth from the meat. I'll add a little bit to make it exactly that enough, just to make it wet and to let our veggies, you know, steam with it, because I don't want to overcook my spinach. I want them still green, and I want it a little bit dry. So the secret to this, be wilting your spinach, and after a while our stew is all done. Ooh, the aroma, I love it. I love it. I'll just set it aside to let it cool down, and then we serve this. We plate it. Yes, as you can see, wow. Tell me you don't like it. Just tell me you don't. Well cooked, dry, veggies still green, not overcooked, and yeah, this is nice. I love it. I love it. Yes, you can see some bits of capsicum, the red bell peppers, the spinach, dry, and hope you've enjoyed up to this far. Let me know if you will try it, and please comment, subscribe, and say anything. Thank you.